Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be doing the pantry organization, cleaning up. Um, this be about how the pantry is small. I know there are pantry that's smaller, but um, this one for this size of the house, I always thought that it was a small pantry. And I got it to a point where I feel like it's manageable for me. So I wanted to show you guys what what I do. Alright guys, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is that I'm gonna empty out the pantry. So I feel like when you empty everything out and then you can see what you're working with, then it's gonna be easier for you to organize it. I actually came up with this organization 5 years ago when we moved in the house because things were all over the place and I was really frustrated. I didn't know what we had. We used to I would go to Sam's Club and buy the same thing that I already have. So I came up with, well, actually, I kept watching some organization videos on YouTube, and then this is the concept that worked for me. So this is what I do. So right now I'm just wiping things down. What I do, I put some water in a pot and then just put some Clorox and some dishwashing soap in there just so it can smell good. Anything that's spilled in there, so that smell, that stain can come out. Um so this is what I'm doing here, and I would broom the floor and then mop the floor because I put things at the bottom. So here, I'm just making space on the table so I can put things where they belong. I'm gonna organize things on this table. So first thing, I start with this tea container. I got them at the container store and the little white baskets you're looking at. The containers, the tea container, I really love it. It have compartments. You can put different kind of tea in different little square, which is really good because as you can see here, I have different type of tea. So right here, I'm just trying to fix all these things where and put them where they belong. I'm probably gonna be standing here for the next year or so because I have a lot of things to fix. So go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video. I'll get back in a little bit. Alright guys, so now I'm back with fixing the pantry. I put everything in the containers where they belong, so I can start putting things away. So every time I clean the pantry, I feel like I can do better, or I'll make it more manageable for me. So this is what I'm gonna keep doing here. I'm just gonna keep making it manageable. There are some baskets that was in there that I feel like I do not need. I wasn't using it that much, so I just took them out. And all the things that need to be in there that I don't use often, I will put them all the way at the top. And things that the kids need to be able to reach, I'll put them at the bottom. So that's what I'll keep doing here. Go ahead and finish watching what I'm gonna do, and then I'll be right back to give you a little details of what I have in my pantry and how I fix them. Alright guys, I wanted to tell you guys about these baskets that I got from Ross like 5 years, 4 or 5 years ago. Um, and they were only $14.99. So I got them to put in the pantry because I thought the color was really nice and it kind of brings some colors to the pantry. And I've been using them to put chips and crackers and things like that. And the kids kind of get used to them too. They would put things that they are not done eating in there. So it's been handy for everyone. They've been so handy, and I don't do a lot of things with them, so they just sit there and just collect stuff. So every time I clean the pantry, I would just go through them and fix and clean some stuff, throw some bags away, and that's what I'm doing here. Alright, guys, this is how I fix everything. I put sugar and polenta and spaghetti up there, oatmeal, things that we don't use every day. I put them up there. And then down here, I just put medication, tea, and things that the kids need to reach, or me, I need to reach easily. And then this is basically the kids' part, and they can reach that. And then all the chips and things down here, I put their juice pack down here, and rice and things like that, extra paper towel and plastic cups, things that. And in those baskets, I didn't get to tell you guys about them earlier. I put potatoes, plantain, onion, and stuff in there. That way they can air out. I'm not putting them anywhere that is closed. They don't rotten easily. So if you ever at the container store, this is where I got them. And then this is it. This is the final look. Thank you so much for coming and stopping by and watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.